So here I have the Sprint Mini 3 BHAC and the Sprint Pro 3 BHAC. Now these are new additions to the Sprint kits. Now the reason these are new additions is because of the SBH 100AC ball head. Now this is lightweight, very compact, and also ARCA type. Now as far as the legs go on the Mini and the Pro, they're still exactly the same as before. You still have the same leg locks, the rapid lock, which allows you to get the different angles of the leg. Same center column, which can be adjusted up and down. You can remove the bottom half to get a really low angle, and also you can flip the center column over to get an even lower angle. So the main load capacity of both the Mini and the Pro kits are 4.4 pounds. The Mini comes in at 2 pounds and the Pro weighs 2.3 pounds. So like I mentioned, the main addition is the SBH 100AC, and the main thing is that it's ARCA type. So you can use the plate that it comes with, or you can use other ARCA type plates like an L bracket. Okay, so those are the new Sprint 3 kits. Now just remember, if you have any questions, please reach out to the team. We're always there to help, and I'll see you next time.